One of the reasons I came on a Saturday morning is because I tried to look for there's one very famous Tao Fa store, but it's not open today. Okay, never mind. So this wet market start at about 6 a.m. in the morning and until about 10 to 11. Yeah. Usually you want to come here about 7 to 8. Then it is not too hot, and then it has also more choices as well. It has all kind of different things here: grocery, veggie, chicken, pork, roast pork, fruits, everything. And of course, you have the breakfasts. 文东酱油呀，文东酱油。老板，你有那个枸杞吗？豆豉有吗？有。给我看一下你的豆豉是哪种，干的有没有？
豆豉有干的没？
有啊。
豆豉这边，
我看一下。
有辣的，有不辣的，有粒的，有毛的。
黑的那个
黑的我的最好吃。
你的是哪一种？
你吃一次，你要找了黑的。
啊，这个是虾米。
不是。
意面有这样粗的哦？
有，这种拿来焖好吃。
是哦。Young chef here making 茶龟干。
搞错了，再来。
帮你打广告一下，老板。
啊，可以，谢谢你，老板，谢谢你啊。你要吃吗？请你吃。
哎，不要，等一下我可以买，等一下我买。
来，
那个。Side lane here there are some pork and also chicken.
冇啦，7723啊，邊有28？
菜园鸡，
还有半只罢了。
那个呢？
现在有人要了。
哎呀，这样早
了，你看，
这样早来都卖不完了，都卖完了啊。
对啊，还有半只没了，干干净净。
是了，给我了。
OK， 要砍吗？
啊，那些呢？
通通有人要。
全部有人要了，全部有人订了
啊。问跟人家买还没有来拿。
哦，是啊。
这个怎样要砍？小片还是？
给我分成
大片。
分两个部分呢。
OK。
I always buy chicken, free-range chicken for him, very nice. Good chicken flavor, very fresh, but not too tough.
喺度 OK。睇唔到。啊，還要砍嗎？
可以啊啦。
OK。
I was informed by the chicken seller a while ago. They said they actually 4+, even before 5 a.m. they already started selling. Oh, it's actually much earlier than I thought. Cái 今天有我的那个豆腐吗？啊 ，OK。Oh, this tofu is very nice. I tried once, very delicious. 还给一包这个豆腐。And it is selling a lot of other fish ball and stuff. And this fish ball is also very nice.
錄啦嘛。
Recognize this uncle.
我知錄粒啊嘛。要什麼嚟？家寶仲有咩冇？
啊，幫你介紹一下。There's a lot of herbs shop also. Nowadays it's very easy to get a very nice soup because they all pre-packed for you. You can get all these pre-packed Chinese herb soup. Just mix it with some meat, some chicken or some pork, then it is done. A lot of selling breakfast.
Take video
Yeah. One of the reasons I came on a Saturday morning is because I tried to look for, there's one very famous Tao Fa store, but it's not open today. Okay, never mind. A lot of fresh veggie stock. Oh, watercress. Shu bak choy. This is also part of Yao Ma, is it? A lot of very nice veggies. A lot of beautiful fruits. Oh, this is my favorite, burnt pear. Actually, a lot of the stores here, they are connected with mini mart behind. So it's like they have a store and also they have a shop present as well.
6礼拜，拜二暂时没有
只有拜一六礼拜。
啊，现在是拜6礼拜这边啊，MCO 过后就在这边了咯。
MCO 过就开始这边做了。
就在这边了。
这种算是港式的粉肠啊。
啊，是吧？港式的。
帮你打广告一下。
哦，好啊，好啊，给人家知道一下啊。
对呀，
哦
你们这边几点就开始了？平时
啊，
拜六礼拜
6点半这样啦。
6点半啊。
啊，6点半这样。
OK, 6:30 they will start. So I ordered a combination. This is the one with egg. Oh, I've never eaten chiong fan with egg before. Then the second one is with some prawn. Freshly steamed bun, bao, all kind of different bao, char siu bao, sangyup bao, and there are some shops also behind the market, so you can also have go and dabao some breakfast. Wow, the gelangau is very fatty, very fatty gelangau. This is turmeric. It's my favorite lufa. Cooked with egg, very nice. young ginger. This is the old ginger. It's a very nice, very fresh kuning kia today. Sela.
这个 fish 什么 fresh 的啦？
是咯，我有买过。
一個快水呢個 fish 包
Auntie was saying that fish guarantee fresh. I bought few times also very fresh. The bigger fish. Oh, fish stall today on Saturday. Oh, the ikan bulus today is very nice. Very nice. And the 金线 also very nice. This ikan bulus, you just go and put a bit of salt and deep fry. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, lengji. Oh, small lengji. Oh, this can be very crispy. Lengji bunga. Oh, this is for prayers.
個人本身多人就唔掂喎。咁我寫落嚟。
1,500.
This is
那个是不得比喻了，讲来的。
Bukit Tinggi lah. This is the store with the most herbs. Zao. If you need any herbs, you can come and look for him.
Paling kecil RM7. Paling kecil RM7.
Ni nanas apa?
MD.
MD tu ah?
Ya.
Cantik ah? Sedap ah?
Dia sedap, dia tak lidas. Tak ada kata lidah.
Oh. Lepas tu dia apa?
Dia punya fiber tu ni sikit lah. Dia punya fiber tu lembut sikit, tak kasar sangat.
Dia punya sweetness okey, manis.
Oh, manis.
Habis satu?
Bos nak harga mana? 7 ke 8? Dia 7, 8. Yang ni RM5.
Size lain sajalah.
Asas lah je. Berat dia tak sama.
Advertise kasih you. Okey. RM9 lah.
Ya.
Ni dari mana?
Ni dari Johor.
Oh, Johor. Pekan nanas.
Ni air hitam.
Oh, hitam ya. Saya pun orang Johor.
Ya. Mana banyak lah Johor. Banyak buah.
Sambil balik simpan peti sejuk sajalah.
Boleh. Wangi tak bos ya? Wangi kan?
Ya, wangi. Memang wangi.
Dia tak payah nak potong macam sheep tu. Sebab masa tak dalam kan? Nak bulat ke nak potong lagi bos?
Tak apalah, bulat macam ni boleh.
Nak macam ni ya?
Saya balik baru potong. Okey.
Nanti ha. Semua manis.
Boleh satu watingnya ini.
So, that is it. Like I mentioned earlier, every day you come here, actually they will have a different store, yeah. So I need to recorrect myself from the beginning. They actually started at some say about 4 plus already here, but probably most of the store will be here after 6 a.m. and then they will be here until about 10 plus or 11. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram. and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. If those of you who like to see more of this kind of wet market grocery shopping, let me know, and let me know what kind of things that you would like to see when it comes to home cooking. I think home cooking is fun, and let's make home cooking fun together. Bye bye.